Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Netflix account. So if you're new to Netflix and you want to start watching movies, TV shows, and other content, so this guide will walk you through the process step by step. You can do this on either your phone or your computer. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do here is to open any web browser on your device. And once it is open, go to the Netflix website, and when the page loads, you'll see a place where you can enter your email address, type in the email that you want to use for your account, then tap or click get started. Next, Netflix will ask you to send a sign-in link to that email. So select send link, then open your email inbox and look for the message from Netflix. And then open the email and tap the link inside. So this will verify your email and create your account without needing to set a password. After that, continue with the setup by selecting finish sign up, and then you'll now be asked to choose a subscription plan and take a moment to compare the available options and pick the one that works best for you. So once you've made your choice, continue the payment section, enter your payment details, and then select Start Paid Membership to activate your subscription. So when your membership is active, open the Netflix app or go back to the website and select Sign In. If you don't have a password, choose the option to sign in with a code instead and enter the same email address that you used during registration. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to access your account, and from there you can select an existing profile or create a new one and start watching. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.